If you thought today's biggest automotive story couldn't get any more interesting, wait until you hear what happened. And as always, today's episode is brought to you with support from Personamize AI.
When I first read today's headlines, I honestly didn't expect the story to take this direction. There's a lot to unpack, so let's break it all down.
So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive right into today's biggest automotive stories. You know, Maya, it feels like every week we hear about another automaker diving into artificial intelligence to revolutionize their manufacturing processes. Just last week, I read about several companies ramping up their AI initiatives.
Right? It's fascinating how rapidly this technology is evolving. It's like we're witnessing a revolution in real time. Can you give me the scoop on what these automakers are actually doing with AI in their factories?
Sure thing. So, some automakers are implementing AI-driven robotics to optimize assembly lines. For instance, companies like Ford and BMW are leveraging AI to analyze production data in real time. This allows them to identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency almost on the fly.
That's impressive. I mean, it's one thing to use AI for design, but using it to enhance manufacturing? That's a whole new level. But why is it so important for them to make these changes now?
That's a good question. The automotive industry is under immense pressure to increase production efficiency while maintaining quality. With the global supply chain still recovering from disruptions, automakers need to be smarter about how they operate. AI allows for predictive maintenance, which means they can anticipate equipment failures before they become an issue.
So it's not just about speed, but also about reliability? I guess that makes sense. If they can keep the lines running smoothly, they can ultimately save on costs and improve their bottom line.
Exactly. And we're also seeing AI used in quality control. For instance, some companies are using machine learning algorithms to analyze products for defects, spotting issues that human inspectors might miss. This not only enhances the quality of the vehicles, but also reduces waste.
That's a game changer, isn't it? Imagine the savings from reducing waste alone. It's like a domino effect that improves multiple aspects of the manufacturing process.
Yes, and it's crucial for companies that want to stay competitive. As EV production ramps up, traditional methods may not cut it anymore. They need to adapt quickly and efficiently, which is where AI comes in.
And speaking of electric vehicles, I'd love to know how this AI integration impacts their production specifically. Are there unique challenges that automakers face in that arena?
Absolutely. The transition to electric vehicles means new components and materials, which require a different approach in manufacturing. AI can help optimize the sourcing and integration of these materials. For example, some automakers are using AI to find the most efficient ways to handle battery production, which is critical for EVs.
That's fascinating. I hadn't considered that aspect. It sounds like AI is playing a significant role not just in making manufacturing processes smarter, but also in addressing the challenges unique to the EV landscape.
That's where the future of automotive manufacturing is headed. But it also raises questions about the workforce. How do you see this affecting jobs in the industry?
That's a complex issue, isn't it? On one hand, AI can automate repetitive tasks, which might lead to job displacement. But on the other hand, it creates opportunities for new roles focused on managing and maintaining these AI systems.
You're spot on. The key will be finding a balance. Companies will need to invest in retraining their workforce to adapt to the new technologies. It's not just about adopting AI, it's about integrating it in a way that benefits everyone involved.
And I think it's crucial for automakers to communicate this shift clearly to their employees. Transparency can help ease fears and foster an environment of innovation rather than resistance.
Definitely. And looking ahead, it'll be interesting to see how this technology evolves. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we might see even greater innovations in manufacturing, like fully autonomous factories.
Can you imagine? It feels like sci-fi, but it's becoming a reality. There's so much potential here. As they iterate on these technologies, we could see rapid improvements in not just manufacturing, but also in how vehicles are designed and engineered.
You're right, AI's impact on the automotive industry is just beginning. As we continue to see advancements, we'll have to keep an eye on how they influence everything from production processes to the overall market landscape.
I'm looking forward to following this journey. It certainly feels like we're on the brink of something monumental in the automotive world.
Absolutely. Thanks for the insightful discussion, Maya. This is an exciting time to be in the automotive industry, and I can't wait to see how it unfolds.
Likewise, Alec, it's always a pleasure to delve into these topics with you. Let's keep the conversation going as more developments arise.
Definitely. Until next time.
Until next time.